Guys, we're going. Wait, we're going to Starbucks. We're going to Starbucks. Wait, what? No, I am about to go get my Starbucks. Wait. You are not about to drink eggnog.
I don't know. Either eggnog or...
Yep, I want for you. Hey, besties, so we just got my stuff. And I got, what's this shit called?
A caramel macchiato.
A caramel macchiato. No caffeine, because I'm not trying to be up. And then I got, what's this called?
A double smoked bacon Swiss roll sandwich.
Yeah, that sounds good. So this wasn't the whole plan, but I'm going to get a pink Bible because I'm going to do a new series for you guys. Yeah, but let's try this. And what you get?
I got the same thing. A double smoked bacon Swiss egg sandwich. But I'm going to put some sriracha on it. And I got a peppermint mocha. No, a peppermint mocha chocolate milk or something. I don't know. I don't know. It's some holiday peppermint.
I'm about to try this.
I don't know. Is it worth the $7 or no? Because I say we could have made it like 4 of these at home for $7. It's cute. It's good.
Okay, this is good. Try to try my drink. It looks great. Why is this actually so good? I actually love that.
Tell me what you think about
It tastes good.
Bacon.
I like how they decorated it. It looks good and it tastes good. And I can taste the coffee.
You just said no caffeine.
Oh, what I
You could taste the caramel drizzle.
Okay, bye. Because millions are lining up. You know this is Maddie gotta come in with a bang. Guys, look at this cute things we found. We found this cute purse.
Dark chocolate.
I want
This one look cute with dark chocolate.
she, yeah, because she already just got a jacket. Like, yeah, this is the exact jacket she just got.
Oh, she got this?
Yeah.
Oh, she didn't show me. She got the purse to go with it?
No, she only got this.
Oh, let me see. I'm gonna get her the purse to go with it. That's $30 fucking.
Hey, stop cussing about that.
Oh. Should we get it or not?
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, this is the purse. Super cute. I saw a lot of people that with boots that have like this thing on it.
Yeah, she has to wear it.
My drink is okay.
Okay.
You want me to find a pink Bible or just a Bible? So we're at Target in the books aisle.
A Jesus-shaped life. The Bible recap. We in the Artisan Bible collection. Ooh. This one's cute.
Yeah, I like that one.
And it got sides so you can take notes if you want on the side.
Yeah.
This one's cute. Ooh. I like it because it's like a rose or something. Like, so adorable. I wonder how much is this. Let me see.
It shows 30% off.
30% off, but I don't see a price anywhere. Save an extra 5% when you pay with the Circle card. Oh, we should tell your grandma to pay with her card.
Why they got tips in the book?
This is Teen Girl. Should I get this one?
Okay, that's just for 2 girls. This is what it looks like. Let's open it up. Oh, wait. Why is this actually cute?
Who is in it and tell you who, when, the time frame, verses you might recognize. If my people who are called by my name will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven and I will forgive them their sins and will heal their land. 2 Chronicles 7:14.
Wait, I want to see if it has like the one I want.
Oh, this got Bibles in 52 weeks, so every week a year-long Bible study for women. That's a good one. Oh, this would be a good one, the Action Bible for Juicy.
Hey, Becky, look at this one. I might get this for my brother because he looks like this.
The Action Bible, and it breaks the Bible down in comic book form.
Wait, I actually kind of
That's
want
pretty
this.
cool.
I actually kind of want this.
You want this one?
Actually,
Only
no.
if they're saying the words, or is it just... Look, it says, the scheming prince. For 3 years, David grieves for his sons, the one who is dead and the one who ran away. But he does nothing. Finally, Joab confronts him. David, you must do something. The kingdom needs an heir to the throne. And right now, that heir is hiding out of exile. Very well, but on one condition. Yeah, we should get this one.
Yeah, for Juicy. Okay.
Oh,
guys.
yeah, we're going to get this one.
Oh, it says color in there.
No, that's that one.
Guys, I don't see the ones that I want.
Ooh, look at it, just like Mary of Magdalene. The love Oh, look at Mary. They got Mary looking so beautiful. That's Naaman, Jonathan, Samuel. You gotta find David and show him dancing out of his clothes. Woman at the well. Boy Jesus. Mary. Nehemiah. Esther. Ooh, Esther looks so beautiful. Esther is the woman who got the kingdom, right? No, Esther is the woman that married Boaz, ain't it? I don't know. It's like it is. Oh, look at David. The warrior. He defeated the giant. Look at the giant.
Okay, let's look for a picture.
Okay. Keep looking.
What?
That was good. Put it down.
Grab my storybooks.
Okay.
This is there at Target, and there's like stuff that I want to get that I can't get, so I'm just gonna show you guys. And yeah, guys, I need some more. Oh, where's this? I want this.
$7.93.
Hi, how you doing? The stuff at the bottom.